Bigger space, better living. Sierra Models offers a semi-complete and 3 bedrooms na may 2 toilet and bath at starting price na 2.9 million lang. May malaking parking space kaya no worry kung saan mo ipapark ang sasakyan. Living area, ang laki, di ba? Perfect for family bonding or chill moments after work. Meron kang 3 spacious bedroom. Pwede for kids, home office, or guest room. At syempre, meron tayong 2 modern toilet and bath na no more agawan sa umaga. Dito naman sa dining area, sakto ang small gathering and everyday meals. May modern kitchen na ready for your dream setup. Welcome sa Sierra Models sa The Villas Phase 3 Golden Horizon. With lot area na 54 square meter at floor area na 72 square meter. At 2-story townhouse na abot kaya, spacious at perfect para sa pamilya mo. Sa community, may basketball court, clubhouse, playground, at 24/7 security. Malapit pa sa SM13, Watermark, schools at hospital. At guess what? Pwede mo nang simulan ang dream home mo with only 15,000 reservation fee. Ready ka na bang magkabahay na abot kaya, accessible at kumpleto sa amenities? Comment or message us para sa details. Once again, this is Jerome Llame, your Ahenting Bicolano. At sa ibang detalye, you can message us sa Ahenting Bicolano Facebook page. At huwag pagkakalimutan, make your property dreams into reality.